It's hot today, isn't it?
Yes, it is. I can't wait to get inside with the air conditioning.
Same here. Are you here for the conference?
Yes, I'm hoping to meet some new contacts. And yourself?
Yes, same here. My name is Matt Jenkins, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Matt. My name is Olivia Christie.
So, what company are you with, Olivia?
I'm working as a client relations manager for Sun Systems.
Ah, yes. You've just launched your new product, right?
Yes, so it's a very exciting time for us. Which company do you work for, Matt?
I work for Star Corporation as a sales manager. Oh, look. Here comes the bus.
Great! Let's enjoy the air conditioning.